contributing to the transformation of Vietnam's national infrastructure landscape and proudly bringing Vietnamese branded products to more than 20 countries worldwide. Now Phat Group has to reaffirm its position as one of the leading enterprises in the production and supply chain of steel, stainless steel, aluminum, shipbuilding and repair, maritime and inland transportation, port operation, and specialized logistics services in both Vietnam and international markets. To achieve this position, we have undergone a journey of over 20 years of continuous efforts, originating from a small factory in the southern part of Hanoi with only 20 employees and an area of 2,000 square meters. Nam Phat has grown into a major industrial conglomerate with a workforce of more than 3,000 employees. From these humble beginnings, we have built a comprehensive industrial ecosystem comprising 16 factories with a total area of nearly 1 million square meters, stretching across Vietnam from the north to the south. Hanoi, Hưng Yên, Quảng Ninh, Ho Chi Minh City, and Long An, starting with the trade of various steel products. Nam Phat Group has now expanded into multiple sectors, including 6 factories specializing in mechanical processing, structural fabrication, heavy industrial components, and manufacturing products for bridge, port, road, expressway, airport, railway, metro, wind power, and solar power projects. 4 factories producing cold-rolled stainless steel coils, decorative stainless steel tubes, and profiles for industrial and sanitary applications. 1 factory manufacturing firefighting black steel pipes, pressure pipes, interior pipes, and automotive motorcycle pipes. 3 factories specializing in phosphate steel, stainless steel wire drawing, mesh weaving, and high-quality bolt and nut production. 6 national and export-oriented centers specializing in slitting and forming steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. 2 shipbuilding and repair yachts. 1 seaport and a fleet of over 20 vessels and barges for domestic and international maritime transport, with capacities ranging from 1,200 to 10,000 deadweight. A synchronized logistics system comprising over 100 heavy-duty trucks, cranes, and mechanical equipment, along with specialized workshops and modern warehouse facilities. To realize its vision of becoming a leading industrial group, Nam Phat Group has established a cluster of factories in key economic regions, including Hưng Yên, Quảng Ninh, Hải Phòng, Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City, and Long An, and has expanded its presence to Cambodia. Each cluster serves not only as a production hub, but also as a vital link within the group's integrated ecosystem. In Hưng Yên, Nam Phat operates 4 factories with a total area of over 130,000 square meters. This is regarded as the group's core industrial foundation, where key operations are concentrated, including metal slitting, mechanical fabrication, the production of components and steel structures, as well as stainless steel rolling, annealing, and tube forming. 1 Steel Structure 568 Company Limited, covering 40,000 square meters, functions as a key processing center for cutting and forming steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, corrugated beam and purlin fabrication, steel bending, stainless steel coil rolling and annealing, and manufacturing decorative, industrial, and shaped stainless steel pipes. Its stainless steel pipes are BIS certified and benefit from a 0% export tariff to South Asian markets. The company also operates a logistics fleet of more than 50 trucks, ensuring efficient nationwide transportation for both its own operations and the group's supply network. 2. BST Company Limited, area 20,000 square meters, is a manufacturing plant specializing in the production of industrial stainless steel pipes that meet international standards such as ASTM A77H, A312, A500, ASTM A53, and BSEN 10255. The factory is capable of producing pipes with diameters up to 355 mm or thickness up to 10 mm, as well as high-pressure stainless steel pipes. 3. Nam Phat Steel Trading and Services Joint Stock Company, area 50,000 square meters, serves as a high-quality processing center for cutting and stamping steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. The plant features a large-scale stainless steel coil rolling and annealing line, as well as a polishing line for coils and large sheets with HK, Novoid, and highlight finishes, catering to premium customers. It handles thicknesses from 0.2 mm upwards, coil widths up to 1,280 mm, and sheet widths up to 1,520 mm. The facility is BIS certified, meeting international stainless steel standards for the South Asian market. 4. Eviet Company Limited, area 20,000 square meters, is a manufacturing plant specializing in the production and fabrication of mechanical products for ports, bridge, expressways, railways, and heavy industrial components. In Quảng, also a major point of pride for Nam Phat Group, Nam Phat Shipbuilding and Maritime Transport Company Limited, covering over 400,000 square meters, forms a cluster of factories located at the lower section of the Chang River Bridge. This strategic location provides convenient access for vessels to the sea, establishing it as a central port for the movement of goods from Quảng to province across the north and south of Vietnam, as well as facilitating imports and exports between Nam Phat Port, Hải Phòng Port, and the Hạ Long Anchorage area. Located at the lower section of the Chang River Bridge, 5 nautical miles from the sea, the facility offers convenient cargo transport throughout northern and southern province. Equipped with modern infrastructure, it meets standards for constructing and repairing all types of vessels and yachts in Hạ Long Bay, Lan Hạ Bay, and Cát Bà Island. The port features a 550-meter quay, an 80,000 square meter container yard, a 90,000 square meters open yard, 100,000 square meters of storage warehouses, a 40-ton crane system, and a 200-ton ship lifting crane. In addition, Nam Phat possesses shipbuilding capabilities of up to 50,000 deadweight and ship repair and conversion capacity of up to 12,000 deadweight. It contracts new vessels and yachts serving Hạ Long Bay, Lan Hạ Bay, and Cát Bà Island, and provides on-site classification, customs, and port services for maximum convenience. The fleet consists of more than 20 vessels with a total cargo capacity of 2.8 million tons of bulk goods per year, specializing in routes for major corporations such as Phat Steel, Formosa, CSVC, POSCO, TVP, Đông Á, Hoa Sen, the Hoa Sen home chain, Nam Kim. Notably, this mega cluster also integrates a steel, stainless steel, and aluminum cutting center equipped with cutting, straightening, and packaging lines, handling materials up to 20 millimeters thick and widths up to 2,250 millimeters, and slitting lines up to 8 millimeters thick with widths up to 2,000 millimeters. It includes an industrial sanitary stainless steel pipe plant meeting international standards for use in the food technology and healthcare sectors, a pressure steel pipe plant producing water pipes certified to fire protection standards, interior pipes, and automotive and motorcycle pipes, a mechanical fabrication plant serving ports, bridge, expressways, airports, and railways, and a shipbuilding, repair, and interior outfitting plant providing turnkey solutions for the completion of vessels and yachts. In addition, the Guangning cluster also brings together several subsidiary companies. Toàn Phát Steel Investment and Manufacturing Company Limited, a rear 20,000 square meters, operates wire drawing lines for phosphated steel, serving the automotive, motorcycle, interior, and industrial sectors, producing wire with diameters up to 24 millimeters, straightening and compacting lines for steel and stainless steel rods with diameters up to 30 millimeters, stainless steel wire drawing lines with diameters up to 16 millimeters, as well as mesh weaving lines, bolts and screws production lines. Nam Phat MO Metal Services Company Limited, a real 12,000 square meters, operates the Nam Phat MO Cutting Factory, a joint venture between Nam Phat and Japan's Metal One Group, a subsidiary of Mitsubishi Corporation and Sojit Corporation. The plant specializes in cutting high-quality materials such as stainless steel, ZAM, galvanized steel, silicon steel, serving manufacturers in the automotive, motorcycle, electronics, and refrigeration sectors across northern Vietnam, as well as for export markets. GY Manufacturing and Trading Joint Stock Company, a rear 8,000 square meters, a joint venture with Chinese partners serving the production of Vietnamese branded products for export to the US and European markets. Its product range includes wires and steel rods, high-quality fencing and paint cages, as well as nails for export. Nam Phat Alloy Joint Stock Company, a rear 3,000 square meters, supplies high-quality steel, stainless steel, and aluminum sheets and coils, as well as stamped and robot-welded products serving the automotive and motorcycle industries. In Hải Phòng, Nam Phat has expanded into logistics, yachting, and luxury marine tourism through Nam Phat Hải Phòng Shipbuilding and Maritime Transport Joint Stock Company, covering 80,000 square meters. The facility functions both as a logistics and trading hub for steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, and operates a fleet of 5-star yachts in Hạ Long Bay, Lan Hạ Bay, and Cát Bà Island under the brands Doris, Doria, Hellora, and Tropical. Additionally, it manages a system of beachfront villas in Samsun, Thanh Hóa, reflecting the group's prestige and diversification in the transport and tourism sectors. In Hanoi, Thiên Sơn Metal Company Limited operates a trading center covering 4,500 square meters and workshops totaling 20,000 square meters. The facility specializes in the fabrication of mechanical products for ports, bridge, expressways, railways, airports, and heavy industrial components. In addition, the company owns a fleet of over 50 tractor trucks, ensuring the transportation of products to construction sites and supporting the group's network of factories. In the southern region, the Ho Chi Minh City Long An cluster plays a strategic role in the automotive, electronics, consumer goods, and infrastructure construction sectors. Nam Phat Saigon Steel Yard Stock Company, located in Nam Thuận Industrial Park, Long An, covers 20,000 square meters and functions as a cutting, rolling, and stamping center for steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Its corrugated sheet lines, equipped with modern and fully integrated machinery from Japan, Taiwan, and China, serve as a high-quality cutting hub for the electronics, refrigeration, consumer goods, and automotive sectors in the southern region and for export markets. Phú Hưng Long Manufacturing, Trading, and Services Company Limited, a real 20,000 square meters in Ho Chi Minh City, operates as a stainless steel's leading and decorative pie rolling plant with facilities for polishing stainless steel coils and serves as a fabrication center for mechanical products used in ports, bridges, expressways, railways, airports, heavy industrial components. Kỳ Nam One Steel Yard Stock Company, located in Tân Tạo Industrial Park, Ho Chi Minh City, covers 5,000 square meters and serves as a steel and stainless steel warehouse. Kỳ Nam Two Steel Yard Stock Company, situated in Nam Thuận Industrial Park, Long An, spans 10,000 square meters and operates a super thin stainless steel coil rolling and annealing plant, producing all port 11mm coils that meet international standards, along with road transport, warehousing, and logistics services. Kỳ Nam Free Steel Yard Stock Company, located in Bình Tân, Ho Chi Minh City, is a mechanical fabrication plant for heavy industrial components, serving the bridge, expressway, port, airport, and solar power sectors. Beyond Vietnam, Nam Phat Group has expanded into Cambodia with NPPHN Company Limited, located in Tak Keo Province and covering over 100,000 square meters, just 30 kilometers from Phnom Penh International Port. The facility serves as a center for cutting and shaping steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, as well as rolling industrial stainless steel pipes, decorative and custom industrial pipes, and pressure pipes, catering both to the domestic Cambodian market and export to Southeast Asia. This strategic milestone underscores Nam Phat Group's regional stature. Leveraging its integrated supply ecosystem, Nam Phat Group takes pride in being a leading provider of traffic safety steel products, including guardrails, road corrugations, traffic signs, toll stations, and more, contributing to over 70% of Vietnam's expressway network. Projects are executed rapidly by Nam Phat, supporting the nation's infrastructure transformation with over 3,000 kilometers of road spanning from the north to the south. Representative expressway projects include sections of the North-South Expressway such as Mai Sơn Highway 45, Nghi Sơn, Diễn Châu, Bãi Vọt, Vũng Áng, Bùng, Cam Lộ, Vạn Ninh, Quảng Ngãi, Hoài Nhơn, Quy Nhơn, Chí Thạnh, Vân Phong, Nha Trang, Cam Lâm, Vĩnh Hảo, Phan Thiết, Dầu Dây, and others. Hà Nội, Hải Phòng, Hạ Long, Vân Đồn, Móng Cái, Tuyên Quang, Phú Thọ, Hà Nội, Bắc Giang, Châu Đốc, Cần Thơ, An Giang, Khánh Hòa, Buôn Ma Thuột. coastal roads in Hải Phòng, Thái Bình, Nam Định, and other provinces effectively served the transportation and trade between provinces. Not limited to road infrastructure, Nam Phat Group has also contributed to the success of numerous major projects, including like Huyện Port, Berth 326, Nam Đình Vũ Port, Quảng Trạch Port, and Cát Lái Port, as well as prominent bridge projects such as Bạch Đằng Bridge, Hải Thành Bridge, Tứ Liên Bridge. In addition, the group has participated in key energy projects, including wind power, solar power, and thermal power plants. In addition, Nam Phat is also involved in numerous national key projects such as Long Thành Airport, Terminal T3 Nội Bài Airport, the International Exhibition Center, as well as factories, facilities, and workshops like DRC Tire. In addition, the group also participates in numerous high-end tourism and service projects, including the Sunweb Marina, 15,000 deadweight cargo vessels, and an overnight yacht fleet with 40 cabins comprising Hellora, Lunar, Iris, Heritage, Doris, and Tropical, as well as day trip yachts operating in Hạ Long Bay, Lan Hạ Bay, Cát Bà Island. On the international stage, Nam Phat Group has a presence at projects such as the Jamuna Bridge in Bangladesh, Metro Manila in the Philippines, and the Mumbai Sea Overpass in India, traffic safety guardrails and signage in Laos, Japan, and Mexico, fencing in Australia and the United States, and structural and expressway projects in Japan, Mexico, and Laos. The product quality of Nam Phat Group has been validated through a range of prestigious international certifications, including ISO 9001, 2015, ASTM, BIS, and the Green CBAM certificate. In addition, Nam Phat Group has been honored with numerous distinguished awards, such as Top 500 Largest Enterprises in Vietnam, Top 100 Vietnamese Brands, the MASMA Award in India. Not only a leader in the domestic market, Nam Phat Group is also one of Vietnam's pioneering stainless steel exporters, with a presence in over 20 countries and territories worldwide, including prominent markets such as the United States, Mexico, Russia, Poland, the Netherlands, Canada, Italy, Japan, South Korea, India, the Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, Laos, and Cambodia. This stands as a clear testament to Nam Phat Group's credibility, quality, and international stature. We believe that people are our most valuable asset. Our 3,000 employees are the driving force behind Nam Phat's success. Beyond production, we are committed to the well-being and personal development of our staff through cultural programs, scholarship funds for employees' children and underprivileged students, charity initiatives, and building gratitude houses for families of war invalids and martyrs, demonstrating Nam Phat Group's human-centered values. 20 years mark a journey of steadily affirming our position. Today, Nam Phat Group is ready for a new chapter with the ambition to become one of the leading representatives in the industry and the production chain of steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, as well as shipbuilding and repair, port and maritime transport, road transport, and logistics on the international stage. Nam Phat will continue to innovate and look forward to partnerships in its mission to contribute to the national economy. Nam Phat Group, coexisting, growing, collaborating, succeeding together.